Hi guys, my name is Nonema Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Rata. When you think that you've seen it all when it comes to him, he will bring you more. When you think ayikho nje into anophinda ayenze, when you are like, yo, I know that judge. No, that judge is a horrible person. You're that judge. When you are like, yeah, I know him. He can surprise you by being kind. But one thing that he will never surprise you with is being unprofessional. It's his regime being unprofessional in yakhe. Like it's his time. What a time to be alive is being unprofessional for Judge Rata. He doesn't know zero about professionalism, number one. Number two, Judge Rata sits there and do things that no other judge can do it like that. Like, honestly, I don't think there was a judge. I don't care how rude they were, but Judge Rata is something else. Judge Rata is something else, guys. Yes, sis. Yo. So yesterday, this is what happened. Judge Rata told Missy to speak to Baloi directly. And if you think I'm lying, I'm gonna present that to you guys because wow, I am still shocked. I am still very shocked with what Judge Rata did. Let me play this for you because I got this from one of the YouTube channels. I'm gonna share that because they captured it very well as it was. Let's play it for you. Come on. Come on. Anyway, guys, guys, as you can see, I don't know what's happening with my laptop when it comes to that because now it keeps freezing. But the jinx of what was happening is that Umnisi was doing an objection. Umnisi wants to ask a question through the judge as per the procedure. Jiggy Jiggy, the judge is like, I'm not doing that. I'm not getting involved in this. Ask him. And Umnisi is like, we don't do things like that. He's like, I'm telling you, ask him. And then Umnisi is like pointing at Ubalo. Ubalo is like trying to get out of that, and then he's like, "There's no such. Why is he not telling the judge that what you are doing is unprofessional? You are not supposed to do this." Yeah, Omnis is right when he says to him, "Tell that to the court because I was doing what needs to be done," and he said, "I must." That's the court order, so I'm following through with the court order. I love Nisi for that. I love what Nisi did there to show to Judge Rata that you are unprofessional and what you did is uncalled for and what you did is wrong. I think he needs to be dealt with. Chief Justice needs to do something about Judge Rata. There is no way. Chief Justice needs to act on the things that Judge Rata does in that courtroom. There is no flipping way. He can't get away with all of these things. He can't. What the hell is this? What on earth is this? Guess what? What else that I've noticed? Irresponsible is that Umnisi cannot resort to such procedures because there's no such procedure. He was there when the judge said that. Why didn't he say, my lord, what you are saying to Mr. Mnisimas do is not right? It's not. Why is he not directing that direction to the judge? Why? Secondly, I saw the way Criselda was looking at the entire situation, shocked. But I don't think I will hear them, all of them, as news outlets reporting on what the judge did there. Why can't at some point they report and say, you know what the judge did there was so uncalled for. What the judge did there was shocking. I don't think there was such a breaking news yesterday of how Judge Rata behaved. I don't think so. I don't think there was breaking news. I doubt there was. But I bet you they will report about Muzi, how Muzi is denying this, how Muzi is saying that, but they will never, even the newspapers, I doubt they will talk about how Rata behaved yesterday. Nothing. I doubt. If there is, I'll come back and say I saw something where they reported, but I doubt they will report like that. Do you see how sad is the state of affairs there, guys? The state of affairs in that courtroom of Judge Rata is very sad. It's shocking, to say the least. That's what he did. That's what he did. For Baloyi to also continue and say, if Nisi wants to know about that entire situation, he must ask his client. How the hell Muzi must know about that? He is reading something that was not written by Muzi. How on earth is he supposed to know about it? It was not written by him. He doesn't even know about it, I'm sure. He never saw it, but it was put there for him to answer. Why would you answer as a person on something that you don't know? He didn't even see that. They never gave it to him in that police station. Was it given to him? Or else they just gave him papers to sign and he doesn't even know what he was signing because Bam Trappe to quote. No, man, guys. No. Like the courtroom of Judge Rata is something else. That was very shocking. But guess what? I'm waiting. I'm going to go check out I'm going to check Newsroom. I'm going to check SABC. I'm going to check ENCA. I want to see if there is any way, or I'm going to even check City Press. I'm going to check News 24. I'm going to check Sunday World. I want to see if there is any way where they talk about the behavior of Judge Rata. I want to see. Did they address that in their report back or their evening news? I want to see. Because that was worthy to be trending and that was worthy to be talked about on the news so that he knows that people can see. Was that addressed on the news? How Judge Rata behaved? Was it addressed? Because that was so unprofessional of him. You will never see such on the news. If it's there, I'll come back and say, I'm sorry, I miscalculated or whatever, but I'm going to look for it. If I don't find it, there's nothing that I will say about it. But if I do, I will come and say, I was wrong. They reported on it. Let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. What did you think of Judge Rata? What did you think of Ubaloyi? Was Mnisi wrong because Judge Rata was definitely wrong. Baloyi was wrong for saying Sibiya must respond on that. How? It was not him who wrote that. Secondly, but thirdly, Baloyi was wrong for saying to me, I don't know what you are researching to. There's no such. No, he was wrong. He was supposed to address and direct that to Judge Rata. He's the one who made that procedure right there on the spot. So he's the one that needs to be questioned about it, not anyone else. What are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.